Hi, how are you? Zachary Burr Abel. This is Miles the Monkey. We are Monkey Miles. Thank you so much for tuning in. This week, we're preparing to go on to a trip, and so I thought it might be helpful to show you how I pack into a carry-on. I usually am traveling with the carry-on. Sometimes I also check a bag. Just depends on how long the trip is. But I thought I would show you how I can cram so much into this little carry-on, plus a few folding tips that I learned on TikTok. If you're not on TikTok, slide on over, follow me at Zachary Burr Abel. Plus, I'll also show you where I learned these amazing folding tips. So let's get right into it. You can see part of my bag is already packed. So I like to use these packing cubes from Ebags. We'll dig into these. I also use old amenity kits. So this one was from Lufthansa. I usually carry 2 different portable hard drives. This one has all of my toiletries actually in it. That squeezes in here. And then this is actually a collapsible from Matador. This is a collapsible backpack. This is really, really convenient when you're out on the town and you just need something that's super easy to throw a bunch of stuff into. Little present. So we'll start with the pants. I learned this on TikTok. This is actually really cool. So you want to start, you fold this down, fold this across, this down, and you're going to fold that up like this, around, flip it over, and it tucks in. So now your pants are going to be as wrinkle-free as they possibly can. You can stack them up, and what I do is I place them into one of these big e-bags here. Then I already have some underwear folded. So I learned this trick actually in Canada. It's amazing for underwear. So I wear boxer briefs. Wayo. So what you're going to do this is you're going to take them, fold them into 3s. You then fold this down and tuck this in. So that makes that super, super simple and compact, and then they don't come out all over the place. And what I do is in this big one here, I just put these all along the sides. So that's like 5 pair of underwear in that much space. I fold my socks like most people. If you guys have a really good tip for folding socks, let me know. For t-shirts, I also like to get all of my t-shirts in there. So I have all of these folded. Some people will try and roll these. I'm not a roller, but as you can see, with this Miles the Monkey t-shirt, I'll show you how I fold these. I actually fold this up. I then fold each of these into that. I fold this twice and then back up. So then it actually stays as possibly free of wrinkles as I can. The other cool folding trick is when you have a sweatshirt. I'm often wearing this sweatshirt. And so what you do here, this is a very similar thing. You're going to fold this up all the way to the top. Can you see that? Then you're going to go across here. You're going to go across here, here, here. Fold this up, and then fold your hood into it. And you've got a little sandwich there. So then when I'm packing this up, you can see this will just fold right up. I got all my underwear, socks, all my pants, t-shirts. I'm not taking a dress shirt on this particular trip, but all of that stuff goes in there. I can squeeze this in right behind it. This is a Rimowa suitcase. I can then close that up. These, I also do e-bags. I have terrible allergies, so I basically travel with like a to-go med kit. It says all of my allergy medicine in it. It has homeopathic stuff. It has vitamins. It has a little med kit. So I squeeze that in. This is the side that has the roller bars. The other thing that I do is I use another Ebags packing cube. I pop this open. So because I'm filming a lot of stuff, I keep a lot of my cables and everything in this little GoPro bag. They sent this to me when I got some GoPro kits. I keep all of the batteries, the cables that I use most frequently, all my memory cards, all of that in there. An extra little handhelds for the GoPro to go into. And then I also keep a lot of I will film actually on like my phone. So if my phone is here, this is like an adapter that I can actually film with this. So I keep this in here as well. So I try and keep everything as compact and organized as possible. So like when I hop on a plane, my battery's running out, I just know exactly where to look and I can pop in and out of it really easily. So that's all the stuff that goes in here. I have a pair of dress shoes, and typically I'll wear either this, or if you're flying in like business or first, you can often sneak by with bringing a garment bag on as well. And that's where I'll throw like a Bluffworks travel suit, because it can easily, like, it doesn't wrinkle and you can bunch it up. Or if I just want to throw it over, like if I'm already wearing this, then I'll throw the Bluffworks suit pants in here. It works really well. And then I also have, I'll put this in, and this will just like lay on top. So then I can just close all of this up, put my present in here. And then this, as you can see, like this will all fold. This easily then closes up here, like boom, boom. That's good to go. And then I have my backpack, which the camera that you're currently seeing me on, that's the one with like the mic and everything. It slides into here super easy. I also throw my GoPro to do all of like, that goes onto a window and I can film all the takeoffs and landings. So all of that stuff goes in there, and then Miles slides right in here. That's basically enough clothes, my toiletries, everything for like a week trip. So hopefully the folding techniques helped out. I'll send you over to this folding expert over on TikTok. She's amazing. I learned some of those tricks here. But anyways, that's how I do it. Hopefully this helps. Again, Zachary Burr-Abel, monkeymiles.com. Miles the Monkey. Yeah.